comparison engine um, that can basically use all the modern providers, compare all the modern providers. So I live in Ireland and I send money a lot back to my home country, which is Nigeria. And the biggest problem I face is I don't really always know the best platform to use to send money home. So that's why I built this platform with ChatGPT. And I built this using Codex. I built it using Codex. In yeah, the design direction, everything was done with Codex. So the platform is simple. You choose your routes, you enter an amount, and then you pick the best fit for your specific case. So right now, the app supports lots of different routes: Nigeria to India, Ireland to India, UK to Nigeria, all the different places that you might think. So the main slug line is know what arrives before you send it. So that's basically what this platform does. Um, so let's say you wanted to send some money to Ghana from the UK, for example. It will show you all the best rates for this route. Okay. Now this is including promo. So for Sendwave right now, if you use this, it's gonna give you €5 if it is the first time. So you can actually use up all the different promo stuff before you start using like the normal one. So this just basically allows you to take advantage of promos. So if I choose standard mode removes the promo rate. So you just get if you've used up all the different promos on across all platforms, this would just be everything. So you would see if how much less you're getting if you use Upsend or Remitly and all that. So this is like the basics of the platform. We also have a statistics part where I created using Soul. I created a database using the open API of all these different platforms. We're collecting data for all currency pairs every single day. So this is like a place for where you can get data. We have an API as well, an open API, so you can just send a request. So if anybody that does research, let's say you want to get all the different rates for a specific date of the year, you could easily do that with our API. And also you can just filter here. So let's say you wanted to know how much something was in a specific date, the provider, you can do that here. And yeah, that's basically like the main part here. We also have a list for best providers. So based on our data, we are automatically collating the best provider in general. So this is our list. So this list changes depending on promotions and rates and fees and all those other things. Also, we make reviews as well for each platform. Because of we have the data, it's very easy to make reviews. So the review will basically tell you how it scores and compares to every other one on the list, the pros and cons, how to send money. So basically all the information anyone would need to know. Everything you're seeing here was built by Soul on Codex. Everything. The rate, the fees, all the different routes, and the current amount that sent, the speed, safety, reviews. So a whole lot of information about the platform itself. We also have a comparison as well. So you can compare um different platforms. So right now we're still collecting data. That's why you see data stream. But when we have the data, we can see that. Also, we have this table, this widget, so you can compare the price on for different routes on this part as well. So yeah, like that is basically what the platform is. It gives information. We're collecting a lot of data. We're comparing. So this is just basically the best resource on the internet for comparing rates. But even if you want to learn about um rate, we have guides that explain different aspect of things. But yeah, like that is like the main thing about the platform.